Have you noticed your arms or legs getting thinner with age? Do you feel weaker when getting out of bed each morning? This might shock you. Your body is losing muscle while you sleep. But there's one simple fix you can eat before bedtime that can help stop it. And it's backed by science. Let's talk about a quiet but dangerous enemy. Age-related muscle loss, also known as sarcopenia. It starts slowly after 50. By 70, you could lose up to 30% of your muscle mass if you don't act. And that loss? It doesn't just make you feel weak. It increases your risk of falls, fractures, hospital stays, and even early death. But here's the good news. You can slow it down. Even reverse it. And all it takes is eating the right thing at the right time. So what is it? It's a special protein-rich snack. And it works best right before bed. Your body repairs and builds muscle while you sleep. But if it doesn't have the right fuel, it can't do its job. Most seniors don't eat enough protein at night. So the body starts breaking down muscle instead of building it. Here's what researchers recommend. Casein protein. It's a slow-digesting protein found in dairy, especially in foods like cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. Take half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese about 30 minutes before bed. Why cottage cheese? Because it gives your muscles a slow, steady stream of amino acids all night long. It's like giving your body the building blocks it needs, while you rest. In one major study, older adults who ate casein before bed gained more muscle over time. And they were stronger, steadier, and had better balance. Even better, it helps you sleep deeper. Which means more repair, better recovery, and more energy in the morning. Don't like dairy? You can also try a casein-based protein shake, or a boiled egg with a handful of almonds. The goal is simple. Give your muscles what they need, when they need it most. And here's a tip. Pair your evening protein with a little movement during the day. Even light walking or stretching. Because when you combine activity with smart nutrition, that's when your body fights back against aging. Remember, losing muscle isn't a part of aging you have to accept. You have more control than you think. So tonight, instead of going to bed on an empty stomach, give your body what it's quietly begging for. One small snack. One powerful change. A stronger, steadier you, starting now. Don't forget to share this with someone who's over 60. It might just help them stand taller, walk easier, and feel younger again.